Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for always showing up. Thank you for the comments, thank you for the likes. I am super grateful and thank you. So today we're going to be creating an interesting project. So it's actually a WhatsApp e-commerce bot that interact with Shopify. So in case you want to check your order, you want to create order, your customers want to track their order and all that. So that's what this project is for. And I actually don't want it to be too long because it's going to be a long project. So I decided to create it into three phases. And the phase one is to integrate WhatsApp into n8n. And the phase two is also to create our Shopify online store. So we're also going to ensure that we have product in it working fine and also simulate buying. And the third phase is to create the anything automation itself. So to interact so that when you send message from WhatsApp, it's going to interact with your Shopify store. So without further ado, let's just get started. And so now the phase one is to set up WhatsApp inside our anything. And before we do that, there is a big need for us to know that we're going to be having two credentials to create. The first one is the trigger, which is to get message from WhatsApp, and then the second credential is to send the message back to the sender from to the WhatsApp as well. So let me just show us what we're going to be integrating. Now this is anything, so we need a WhatsApp trigger. So just click on the plus, search for WhatsApp Business Cloud on message. When you have this, then what you're going to see is there's a need for you to, okay, so when you want to create a new credentials, you see that we need the client ID and then we need the client secret. So for us to be able to have access to this, we need to go to the Meta dashboard. And so just go to your developers.facebook.com. So just developers.facebook.com. So you have this. It's either you. So when you sign up, so it's going to ask you to sign in. So when you sign in, it is either you see my apps or get started. So because I already have account here, so now I'm seeing my apps. So just click on my apps. And so what we need to do now is we need to create our app. I already have two apps running fine. But I'm going to show us how to actually create an app. So just come here, click on create app, and then name your app. So you can just say Shopify bot. Okay. So then click on next. You're going to see use cases. Just come down to business messaging. Click here and then click on connect with customers through WhatsApp and then next. So now this is very important. You need to choose a business portfolio. I already have one. This is my own. And if you don't have one, you need to create a business portfolio. Create it and then follow the process. It's actually very easy. Just follow the process. And then when you are done, if you already have one, just come here, click on this. So when you are done, it's going to take you to this requirement. There's nothing here, no requirement identified. Just click on next as well. And then this is just the overview. So it's just showing us what we have done so far. And then here, just go to dashboard. So it's going to take us to our dashboard. All right. So now this is our dashboard. So what you need to do is just come here, click on the customized, the connect with. So just click on this. So you're going to see quick startup start using the API, but you actually don't need that now. So you can just come here to app settings, click on app settings, and then you will see basic. Click on basic. Now that we have our basic, Now this is the app ID. We need it, just copy it and then go to the n8n client ID. Now we need a secret as well. This is the app secret. So you have to click on show and then it's going to bring it your secret ID and then copy it. So now you paste your client secret ID here. So what you just need to do is then save. Now that you have the save, you can see the green. So which means connection tested successfully. So now that we have the connection ready, so what you just need to do is, okay, so just to simulate the when you receive a message, definitely going to have a message to send across as well. So let's just use an agent. Agent, just click on it and then here you add your reasoning, your model. I'm using OpenAI and then so from here, so what we need to do is again we need to send the message back to the WhatsApp. So this is where we're going to work on the second credential as well. So just come here and then search for WhatsApp and you can see send message. Send message needs another credential as well. So just create new credential. So now what we need now is we need access token and then we need business account ID. So for us to get this, we have to head back to the dashboard, the meta dashboard as well. So just come here to your use cases. So use case, then this is your use case. So connect with customer through WhatsApp. So you have to click on the customize. Now that you have this, just click on the API setup. And now we already have this. This is the test number that WhatsApp, I'm sorry, yes, that Facebook or WhatsApp gave to us. And we have this, we have the business account ID. And if you go back to anything now, you realize that we need this business account ID. So just click on copy this and then paste it here. Now we need the access token. This is the access token. You need to generate access token here. So just click on generate access token. So now this is it. So you can just continue. That's my name. Opt-in to all current and future, all of these. So you can just use this and then click on continue. Review Shopify bot access request. So this is it. So then just click on save. And once it is saved, you'll be able to have access to the access token. So got it. And now that you have this copied, go here and then just save it. So now that we have this, save, and you save, we should be able to, now that we have this now, connection tested successfully. So now let's just quickly test it and then see if everything is working fine. So you need to set this up. Now come here, send that phone number. This is a phone number and then the recipient phone number. So that's actually going to be your number. That's going to be your number, the number you added as a recipient phone number. So you can just come here and just add any number, any text body. How can I help you? So now that it is set up now, so what we now need to do is this same phone number, go to your WhatsApp, this sender's phone number, the number that Facebook gave you as a test number. So just go to your WhatsApp. You may have to use your phone, but you need to go and add it to your contact. Go and add it to your contact and then go to WhatsApp and then head over to that same phone number. Like you want to send a message to that phone number. So So this is my own phone number. This is a test number that I was given, and I've actually been using it for automation. So that's why you can see this now. So what you just need to do now is go back to your n8n. This is execute workflow. Click on execute workflow, and then go and send a message like, I, this is beautiful, send, and then let's see what's going to happen. Now you can see, now it has already captured it. Immediately send a message, it has already captured it. So the issue we're having with this is because we don't even have any user message. So just come here. Where's the message? You can see this is the message, and then this is the body. Just come here, add the message to it, and then if you execute, you see that it's going to run successfully. And then now you can see what's the message. It said, thank you, I'm glad you think so. How can I assist you today? So now instead of having this as a text body, just come here, add the output message to it, and then execute. Once you execute, you will see that we're going to have it now. You can see, thank you, I'm glad you think so. How can I assist you today? Now we are fine. So this is just to show us how to set up WhatsApp inside our n8n. So now we are done with the phase one. Please, if you have any issue or you have any error, maybe setting up the meta dashboard, just let me know, and then I'm going to put you through how to go over that. All right. So thank you very much. See you in the phase two. Bye.